Welcome to Speak English with Muskan YouTube channel. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you. And you?
Subscribe my channel. I'm fine too, thank you. Let's begin our English lesson. Amit, what day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Very good. Priya, what is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Great. Ravi, how do you come to school?
I come by bus.
Good. Sita, do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Very nice. Let's all say the days of the week together.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Saturday, Sunday.
Sunday.
Subscribe my channel. Excellent. Well done, class. Hello, Sita. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did my homework.
Very good. What lesson did you study?
I studied the English lesson about animals.
Great. Can you name 3 animals?
Dog, cat, and elephant.
Excellent. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, teacher. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Amit. What do you need? Subscribe my channel.
May I go to the washroom?
Yes, you may. Go quickly and come back.
Thank you, teacher.
Ravi, why are you late today?
I'm sorry, teacher. I missed the bus.
Please try to come on time tomorrow.
Yes, teacher, I will.
Good. Now take your seat and open your book.
Okay, teacher.
Priya, did you finish your homework?
No, teacher. I forgot to do it.
That's not good. Why did you forget?
I was not feeling well yesterday.
Okay, bring it tomorrow. Take care of your health.
Thank you, teacher. I will do it.
Subscribe my channel.
Excuse me, teacher. I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
I don't understand this word. What does it mean?
It means happy. It is another word for glad.
Oh, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Always ask if you don't understand.
Yes, teacher.
Amit, where is your English book?
Sorry, teacher. I forgot it at home.
You must bring your book every day.
Yes, teacher. I will not forget next time.
Subscribe my channel. Good. Please sit down and share with your friend today.
Thank you, teacher. Teacher, can you help me with this question?
Of course. Which part do you not understand?
I don't understand question number 3.
Let me explain it to you step by step.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Keep practicing. All right, class. That's all for today.
Thank you, teacher.
Don't forget to do your homework.
We won't.
See you all tomorrow. Bye, class.
Bye, teacher. Have a nice day.
You too. Stay safe. Thanks for watching videos. Like, subscribe, share.